We all want to present engaging and interesting slide decks. And now, with the thanks of the Morph transition from Microsoft PowerPoint, we can. The Morph transition can be applied to your objects, photos, text and titles to give you the appearance of movement between your slides. And best of all, it's extremely simple to implement. So let's jump over to our demonstration and I will show you how these smooth transitions can be implemented into your slide deck. So here we are in my slide deck, and all of the smooth transitions that you have seen were created using Morph. Now to achieve this effect, create your first slide. We're going to use one of these photography photos from the portfolio slide here. So let's recreate this slide that shows the mountain scene. So I'm going to right-click and duplicate this portfolio slide. I'm going to zoom out a little and make my changes. I'm going to select the first photo that I don't want to appear on the canvas. Hold Shift and then select the remaining photos and drag them off the canvas. Now it's absolutely fine to leave your images out of view. It actually makes the transition smoother. So let's make our changes to this mountain photo. Let's delete our title and let's expand our photo. Go to Transitions and select Morph. Mine has already been selected, so I'm going to click a different transition and select Morph to demo this for you. You will then be shown a preview of how the transition will look. If you wish to see the preview again, click Preview. Now if we go to the portfolio slide and then go to Slideshow and start the presentation from the portfolio slide, we can see how our new transition looks. It's that simple. So go on, give this eye-catching effect a try. I'm sure your audience will be very impressed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next training video.